So be careful with this. This is fiber optic, and if you drop it, it's glass, it'll break. You have a cool little trick where, I'll show you. So here's your high-powered fiber optic. There's the switch to turn it on and off. Don't let this fall on the ground. Keep it on a towel, on something rubbery, on something soft. I generally prefer to work with, in the cabinet here, a surface like this. So that's just from the dollar store. It's one of those rubber surfaces. If it falls down from a distance, I can put it down. It won't damage. It'll take the impact. At the back here is the battery. This should last you years when you use it properly. Before you use it the first time, please charge it. So there's your battery that you can reorder from us. Remember that the plus side goes in first and that this cap screws on, and you don't want to cross-thread it. Take your time. There's an O-ring here. I'd recommend you not to use it this way because the fiber optic concentrates the beam. Here it's expanding as soon as it leaves. As soon as you put this fiber optic tip in, all the light is captured exactly at the right distance to go into the fiber optic and end up coming out here. All right, and there's your areas there that we were curing. And this here is where your charger goes. So I'll pull this out. I'll put this in the case so nothing happens. I'll take out my charger. I'll plug it in the wall. And then I'll charge it just like that. And I'll just let it charge. And in a couple hours, that's fully charged, ready to go. And depending upon how often you turn it off and how long you use it, it'll be fine. So in some cases, I've charged it, and within a few minutes started using it, and had left it in when I was charging it. On your LED, there's a light. It's green when it's fully charged, and it's red when you plug it in and it's charging. And when that light turns green from the wall, then you know that this is properly charged. So it depends on how much it was depleted. There you go. Is that better?
Yeah, okay, go again.